Welcome to Autumn at the Arboretum here at Klehm Arboretum and Botanic Garden in Rockford, Illinois. We're so excited to have you join us for our event this year. My name is Alex Mills and I'm the Executive Director here at Klehm. With the help of our staff, volunteers, and sponsors, we've made a few changes and structured our free, family-friendly community event this year to accommodate social distancing so everyone can stay safe and still enjoy the outdoors. With the fall season in the air, Klehm is a fantastic place to visit and enjoy the change of seasons. We are open every day from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m., and thanks to the generous support of our sponsors, admission is free for this entire week. Our grounds and gardens are filled with changing colors, new textures, and other autumn highlights that are a true gift from nature. This year, we're also excited to implement our first ever smartphone tour, which is a fall color tour. You'll visit different stops and highlights at Klehm and can use your phone at special posted signs to help you learn more about what you're seeing, along with other fun facts and trivia as well. We have the return of our popular straw bale maze for children this year, along with a kids scavenger hunt that is posted as an online resource on our website. Simply visit www.klehm.org to download this fun, free activity that you can bring along on your visit during the week. Also, during your visit to Klehm this week, you can plan to bring your dog along in a costume and can snap a pic of your pooch in front of one of our event backdrops throughout our grounds. You can then enter our doggy costume contest with prizes awarded after our event is concluded. More information about how to enter can be found on our website and social media pages. We will be posting new videos throughout the week, so make sure to keep staying tuned each day. We'll also host an educational webinar this Wednesday evening at 6 p.m. with guest speaker Paul Shaberg of the USDA Forest Service, who will go even deeper into the changes that fall brings to trees and their biology. Make sure to check out our website for the link so you can plan to attend this great virtual learning opportunity. Finally, none of our activities this week would be possible without the generous support of our sponsors: the Dean Allen Olson Foundation, Midland Wealth Management, Hinshaw & Culbertson LLP, Swedish American, and Nicor Gas. We thank you so much for your support and your contributions that have helped make this great, free, week-long event possible.